Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Omar, how are you? You are live on YouTube now.
Yes, no problem, no problem.
How I can help you, Omar? What do you want to say to us about the topic we are speaking about? I don't know if you are watching with us. Your prophet, he said
yes,
that the black stone have eyes, have a tongue. What do you think?
Yes, I'm just, I was on the YouTube on my computer, so I will just low down the volume so I can hear you and talk a little bit better.
Yeah, mute YouTube, please, and focus with me here. You can keep YouTube running so you can see the screen, because I'm going to show you a hadith about your prophet, he said, if you don't mind.
And okay. I'm going to mute it and I'm going to watch the screen.
All right. This is the hadith. Your prophet, he said that the black stone is going to witness for you in the day of judgment. Is going to have a tongue, is going to have eyes, and is going to talk. What do you say?
Like, you mean it's about the when the world ends, or
yes, in the day of resurrection, at the end, day of resurrection. So the black stone is going to have eyes, is going to have tongue, and is going to speak. What do you say about that?
In which hadith?
This is Jami' al-Tirmidhi.
Is it hadith like the real hadith, because it's many hadith in a different
my friend,
way.
Jami' al-Tirmidhi is one of the authentic 6 books of hadith. There is 6 writers according to you are Sunni, right? Aren't you Sunni?
Yes, I'm Sunni.
Okay, so you are a Muslim Sunni. That's a Jami' al-Tirmidhi. There is 6 authentic books of hadith, which is those are not the only authentic, but the most top authentic books are the 6 books. One of them is Jami' al-Tirmidhi. So now what we would do? Did your prophet kiss the black stone? Did your prophet kiss the black stone?
No, I don't know if the black stones get eye and that, but the hadith is like I'm unsure about the hadith. Like I more believe in the Quran and not. So
okay, you know what, Omar, you sound a very nice guy, and I will make just a change just for your sake. All right, I want you to take advantage of this call, and there's like hundreds of people listening to you. Most of them they are Christians. You tell me how you can how you want to convert me to Islam. I want to learn from Islam from you. What would make Islam a good religion to make me believe in Islam or Allah or Muhammad? How you can do that? Go ahead.
It just because like in the Quran, in the Quran, the community in Islam is it's some people who explain it or make it in a bad way. For example, tourists and stuff like that, because everyone make its own definition. If you understand me. And when they make one definition and another one make one definition defined it in a different way, then they make it a bad picture about Islam. It's the same with Christianity, because Christianity, for example, they make a bad image about Catholic and everything like that. So it depends which kind of person you are and how you understand things.
Okay, I want you to Omar, I want you to paint for me a good image of Islam. I don't want the ugly image. I want you to give me a good image. What is good in the Quran, as an example? What is, here we go, the Quran is in the front of us. What is good in this book? Is anything good? Like what?
I'm not that educated, but what is good is you have to pray to God and believe in Allah, and you have Ramadan.
How you pray to God? How you pray to God in Islam?
Islam, you have a mat, or stay on that and read Quran. It's different position.
Do you know Al-FaTihaH? Do you know Al-FaTihaH?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the prayer. You pray 5 times a day, right? You recite Al-Fatiha. Okay. Al-Fatiha.
Yes, 5 times.
This is your best prayer. It's cursing the Christians and the Jews. How this is good to pray to Allah, but you cannot pray to Allah without cursing us. It says in verse number 7, the way the way of those whom you have bestowed your grace, not the way of those who earned your anger or cursed, nor those who they went astray. Who are those who went astray and the one is cursed? The Jews and the Christians. The Jews are cursed. The Christians are the one who went astray. What kind of a prayer? You say to Allah, please, Allah, please, first thing in the morning. You say to Allah, please don't make us like the Jews and don't make us like the Christians. Please, Allah. What is that? How this can be a good prayer? You just said to me, some people, they make a bad image of bad people, right? You said that to me, that bad people, they make garbage and they make bad image. Okay. Why Allah, He is asking you to pray like this, saying to you, don't make us please like the Christians, don't make us like the Jews. What's wrong?
Yeah, but like that, when they say that, they say in Quran, like when the Jewish or for example Christianity, like say those people who believe that it's the Holy Spirit and the Father and the Son is three gods and don't believe in them, you know, because it's one God, just like, you know what I mean.
Okay,
it's not saying
the
like
the Jews and the Christian, they believe in one God. So what does have to do? And why He don't mention the Hindus as an example? Why Allah is so upset from the Jews and the Christian, but He is not upset from the Hindus, the Buddhas? I mean, they have hundreds of gods. How come only us, the Christian and the Jews, Muhammad, He focus on them? He never mention anyone else.
No, that's true, but this is those you know, the Abraham religion.
What Islam have to do with the Abraham, and what is the Abraham religion? Can you tell me about it? What is Abraham religion?
The Abrahamian religion is like you believe in one God.
Abraham, he believe in one God.
Yeah, he believe in just one God.
Okay, well, as I know, well, Abraham.
It is what I learned.
No, what I know, that Abraham in the Quran, he worshipped the moon, he worshipped the star, he worshipped the sun. Is that correct?
Yeah, can you show me proof for that?
Okay, I will ask our friends to help.
That he say I worship moon, I worship
this is Abraham.
Stars and like that.
This is Abraham. It says, I remember when Abraham, he said to his father Azar, do you take idols as ilah, as gods? Verily, I see you people are manifest in error. And then he says, and when the night covered him over with the darkness, he saw a star. He said, this is my Allah, or this is my God. But when he said, I don't like the one who said. Have you ever heard of a story like this? Don't you see something silly here? Do you see a star before, Omar? Have you ever saw a star?
I have seen a star, but not.
Okay. Did you see a star and when you saw it, you said, this is my God?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Say that
what kind of Abraham? This Abraham, when he saw the star, he said he liked the star and he said, this is my God. And then the star, he said, I don't like those who sit. What, he liked those who stand?
No.
So what is
not
that mean?
really, but
he don't. The reason he left he left the religion of worshiping the star because the star he set. Don't you find that this is stupid? Because in order to say such a thing, it's mean I never know before that the star disappear. So Abraham, he was living until he became a man, and then suddenly the star disappear. Like how this happened? I mean, how he made this discovery that the star disappear and decide to leave religion? Like he went in a debate, and the debate they told him, did you notice that the star disappear? And Abraham looked like, what? He disappear? I did not notice that. I'm going to leave this religion now. What do you think?
I don't want to go against like the religion, the Quran, because I believe in that. So, but this set you show me, it's like I don't know what to say about that, really.
Okay, what about then? Then Abraham, he saw the moon. And then he said, oh, this is more sexy. So he started saying, this is my Lord. But then when the moon set, he said, you know what? I'm not going to worship the moon, because he said, look like Abraham, you have a problem with the one who set. So if the moon did not set, Abraham will be worshiping the moon until now. Okay, and then the moon is gone, so he don't like him. Then he saw the sun. When he saw the sun rising up, he said, this is my Lord, this is Akbar. He called him Akbar, like Allah. Huh? But when it set, he said, oh my people, I am indeed free from what you worship with Allah. How he knew about Allah suddenly? Like this, the sun set, suddenly right away he mentioned Allah. How this happen?
Yeah, and this is Quran, right?
Yeah, this is Quran. Yeah, this is the Yellow Pages.
No,
this is the Yellow Pages of Muhammad.
I don't know.
So what do you say, Omar? What do you think? You said you follow Abraham.
I don't know. Like
you said, you follow Abraham. Abraham worshipped stars, worshipping moons, worshipping. How many stars you worship? Be honest with me, Omar.
I don't worship.
Okay,
stars.
Forget about Abraham. Forget about Abraham. I want to ask you about something. What